What's up, guys? It's Doug Fee. I'm out here at Craig & Landers Cars in Louisville, Kentucky. We have 7 dealerships and over 600 vehicles. This is one of our most original, unique vehicles that we have in the whole city. Right now, guys, come around front here. It's a 2016 Jeep Wrangler Unlimited Sahara. It's been all the way to Bayshore Automotive in Tampa, Florida for the upgrades. When you come around here, we're going to go down low. You've got a custom zone powder-coated lift kit. It's got a powder-coated Pro Comp stabilizer bars. Guys, you come up a little bit, you've got the O.C.D. front bumper. It has a 12,000-pound Torx winch with synthetic fiber rope, factor 55 thimble, O.C.D. fair lead, and a remote control so you can pull your buddies out, you can pull yourself out without even being in the vehicle. Up here, you've got the O.C.D. bull bar. O.C.D. is just an outfitter for Jeeps. They make a lot of great parts, but you've got the LED light bar inside the bull bar. You come back here, you're gonna have a rugged ridge Spartan front grille with blue eyes, and those eyes happen to be the Max Built LED headlights. They're absolutely gorgeous at night. This thing is fierce looking from every angle. You're gonna come up here, we've got a DV8 hood. It's the Demon hood with the blue paint. I mean, every little accent on this car, they just left no stones unturned. Everything's great. Let's come around to the side here, Lauren. When you get around to the side, you're gonna have 22 by 10 inch XD Trap Series wheels. They're powder coated. There's 5 of these bad boys because there's one on there for the spare. They're wrapped in 35-inch Toyo MT tires, and that's the tire choice for most people these days. If you get back in here, you'll see DV8 again. DV8's out of Riverside, California. It's got the DV8 inner fenders. When you come around to the side, everything's custom, guys. Even the door handles are Drake door handles. You've got infab steps. I won't show you the interior yet because it's like nothing you've seen. I don't care how much Instagram, how much Facebook you've seen today. You haven't seen an interior like this. Another 22 by 10. Come around to the back. Another one, some more Drake door handles. Guys, you've got the Metal Militia dual catback exhaust. It's powder coated. It's absolutely cool. It's gorgeous. It's got a skull and maybe a hat on or something. I don't know exactly what that is. It is remote start. Guys, when we open this thing up, remember this 3-piece top is removable. These 2 tops come out real easy. This piece is a little bit more drastic, but pretty easy to remove. Custom blue leather with white diamond stitching. And guys, you haven't seen anything like that. I mean, I'm gonna tell you right now, that's pretty original. Just the basics of the car: power windows, power locks, power mirrors, remote start, navigation, automatic, shiftable transmission. You got steering wheel controls for everything, including your Bluetooth. You remove these tops in the summer, everybody can see your blue leather. They're gonna absolutely love it. It's a one-of-a-kind vehicle for this area and this market. Like I said, it's been all the way to Bayshore. We're at Craig & Landers Cars in Kentucky, Louisville, Kentucky. My name's Doug Fee. Give me a call anytime, 502-380-7737. Have a great weekend.